The genetic cross diagram has a specific format which is vital when doing the section on genetics. Now, when we just look at it, there's a lot of information, but it's not random information. There's a logical reason for each of the various parts of this diagram. So we start off by writing P1. P1 represents the parent generation. Now that parent generation would have a phenotype, which is the physical appearance, which depends on its genotype, which is the genetic makeup. These two, you'll get the information from the question. Thereafter, we have the process of meiosis. We know that in the process of meiosis, we have haploid gametes that are formed. Now, to fill in the gametes, all you do is take the genotype, which is represented by alleles, which were letters that you would have written by the genotype, and then separate them as the gametes. And that would represent Mendel's law of segregation, that he said that the various factors or alleles that are responsible for the phenotype, they are paired and they will separate during gamete formation. Thereafter, we have the process of fertilization, where the gametes, the sperm cells and ova would then fuse. So you take the gametes, put two on the one side of the Punnett square, two on the other side of the Punnett square, and then you join them from the different parents and you'd get the different possible outcomes. Now, the result of fertilization would be the formation of the F1 generation, which are the offspring. These offspring would have specific genotypes that would be found within the Punnett square, and those genotypes would represent specific phenotypes. In the next video, we'll look at an example of filling in a genetic cross.